Welcome to farmer agriculture. Carrots are one of the top vegetables, and everyone loves them because of their nutritious value and great taste. In the USA alone, we harvest 1.5 million tons every year, which means it adds at least $750 million to the US economy every year. But have you ever thought about how our farmers create and process these high-value carrots? In this video, we will learn how carrots are harvested and then processed in the factory before it is ready for consumers. So let's dive into the world of agriculture right away. Pre-harvesting phase. First of all, farmers select the right seeds for their lands considering various factors such as size, taste, color, and compatibility with the soil and the weather. After that, they prepare the soil to plant the seeds. Since carrots grow better in loose soil, farmers use different machines such as plows, harrows, or tillers to loosen any compacted area on the field and ensure the soil is smooth and ready for seeding. While loosening the soil, they simultaneously add compost as a fertilizer in the soil. The soil is prepared by creating shallow furrows in the soil using a hoe or a planter. They scatter the seeds all over the field after creating the furrows. To keep the soil loose for carrots, they cover the seeds with soil at least ½ an inch deep. It is also ensured that there is enough spacing between the seeds, because carrots grow better with proper spaces. Normally, carrots reach maturity somewhere close to 90 days, and until then, farmers take care of them by regularly watering them and protecting them from weeds or pests, using herbicides, pesticides, and advanced agricultural machines. Harvesting phase. After 80 to 90 days, farmers confirm the maturity of the carrots by checking their size, firmness, and color. These days, there are agricultural robots that can take care of this process by constantly analyzing the growth and health of the carrots. Now, it is time to harvest the carrots. For small-scale crops, farmers may use digging forks or spades to pull out the carrots. But on a large scale, this process needs to be done efficiently in less time and without damaging the crops. For this purpose, cutting-edge modern machines are used. Let's take an example of the ASA Lift Carrot Harvester machine. It is a renowned machine for harvesting carrots in literally no time at all. With its digging blades, also known as fingers, it gently pulls out tons of carrots all at the same time. Ideally, it can pull out several feet of carrots in 1 minute, and while doing so, it ensures the carrot crops are not damaged. With this or similar machines, carrots are harvested in about 1/3 the time of manual harvesting. After pulling out the carrots, these agricultural machines collect the carrots into the collection area after passing it through the conveyor belt, where it removes the dirt or debris off the carrots. Belts may have open mesh or perforated surfaces that allow smaller debris to fall through, minimizing the risk of blockages. Some machines have vibratory systems or rotating brushes in their conveyor belts to help dislodge debris and prevent buildup. After carrots are ready, they are then transferred to the tractors, which take them to the factory for further processing. Before we move on to the next phase, let us know if you liked the video so far. If yes, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. Post-harvesting phase. These tractors unload those hundreds of tons of carrots outside the factory where they are collected in a collection area that is aligned with the long conveyor belt. These carrots are distributed on the belt for a regular inspection. The purpose of this inspection is to find out if there are carrots with cuts, contamination, or tears. These damaged carrots are then separated, and the rest are filled in big wooden cartons. Cleaning. These cartons are then unloaded into the water tank of the cleaning machines. In some factories, hot water is also used as it helps in removing the dirt. Once unloaded into the tank, these carrots pass through the specialized machine, which efficiently removes the dirt from the carrots. This machine consists of a conveyor belt system that carries the carrots through the cleaning process. On one side of the belt are water jets, while the other side has brushes installed. As carrots move forward through the belt, The water jets throw water on the carrots with high pressure to remove any stubborn and remaining dirt. At the same time, the brushes on the other side gently scrub the surface of the carrots. In some machines, these two processes are done separately. First, carrots go through the pre-rinse stage where only water pressure is applied. Then comes the scrubbing process where brushes wash the carrots. However, those machines that perform both tasks simultaneously are preferred by the factories as they are time-effective machines. This process ensures the carrots are cleaned thoroughly without getting any damage. These specialized machines perform their tasks very efficiently and ensure not a grain of dirt remains on the carrots. Besides efficiency, this cleaning process is way faster than manually cleaning the carrots. After the carrots are cleaned, they are then transferred to a conveyor belt, where a mixture of warm water and additives are showered on them from the top. These additives are mostly medicine, preservatives, and other pesticides or antimicrobial agents. The water is not hot, but warm, to ensure the additives penetrate inside the carrots. This process gives the carrots a freshness and preserves them for long. Also, these carrots stay safe from any harmful bacteria or pests. This process ensures the carrots are in their optimal condition. Not only do they have natural freshness and sweetness, but they also meet the national food quality standards. What do you think about the cleaning process of carrots? Do you think the quality standards are met? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Drying phase. After the carrots are cleaned thoroughly and ready to be preserved, they may pass through a drying system to remove excess moisture. Various drying methods may be employed, such as air blowers, centrifugal dryers, or conveyor belts with air jets. The removal of moisture plays a crucial role in the preservation of the carrots. Different methods are used in the factories for this purpose. One method is air drying, in which air is circulated where the carrots are placed to remove moisture. Another method involves hot air drying, which removes the moisture using hot air. An effective method is dehydration, in which moisture is removed from the carrots using high temperature. After this process, the carrots undergo further inspection where they are tested for moisture. This process may include visual inspection, weight measurement, or moisture analysis. While there are several methods used for this purpose, a widely used method is infrared moisture analyzers. The infrared radiations are used on the carrots to analyze the moisture of the carrots. Human inspection. Once the inspection for moisture is done, the carrots are then cooled down and ready for the next step, which is human inspection. After the carrots are cleaned and processed, they move along another conveyor belt, where human workers carefully inspect each carrot. Trained workers stationed along the conveyor belt visually assess the quality, size, and other factors of the carrots as they pass by. Additionally, they consider factors like shape, weight, and maturity level when sorting the carrots, separating those that are misshapen, overly mature, or too small for packaging specifications. Based on these factors, carrots are placed in different cartons. This process ensures only the best carrots reach markets where we can buy and eat them. Cutting phase now, the carrots are ready for use. While some raw carrots are packed and transported in the same condition, most carrots are moved to a machine that peels off the upper layer of the carrots. This is done to make sure only the edible parts of the carrots are left and the rest is removed. It means carrots are now ready to consume. However, these carrots once again go through a cleaning process where they are thoroughly washed and then dried. This process may be done several times to guarantee the high quality of edible carrots. After that, these carrots are cut down into pieces, slices, sticks, or cubes of carrots with the help of the cutting blades of the cutting machines. Some carrots that are used for salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, muffins, cakes, or similar products are shredded down into even smaller pieces. For this purpose, the peeled carrots are fed into the grinding machine. In this machine, Carrots go into a rotating drum or disc equipped with sharp teeth or blades. As the carrots pass through the machine, these blades rapidly shred the carrots into small, uniform pieces. Then, these ready-to-use products are then entering the packing phase. Packing phase. The raw, sliced, or shredded carrots are transferred to another conveyor belt, where human workers carefully inspect them and then place them into specific boxes. This placement varies for different sizes or types of products. For example, big-sized carrots go to separate boxes, and small-sized carrots move to a separate box. Similarly, shredded carrots or sliced carrots are sent to their designated boxes. Before adding to the boxes, the carrots are sealed with polythene bags, and the airs are removed from the bags to ensure no bacteria grows inside the bags or spoilage of carrots. After that, the carrots are added to the boxes and then moved on to the next process where the boxes are printed with necessary information such as the types or size of the carrots, product name, weight or quantity, nutritional information, expiration date, and any relevant certifications or barcodes. Once packed, the carrots are ready for storage and distribution. They are stored in designated areas under controlled temperature and humidity conditions to maintain their freshness and quality until they are shipped to retailers or distributors. And this is how the carrots are harvested and processed before they reach your table. Let's wrap up the video here. Before you go, do not forget to share your insights about this video. Also, hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications for our latest videos. See you in the next video.